Hi there lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping in. I have a makeup tutorial for you guys and I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Super Nudes palette. All of these colors are so gorgeous and I'm giving you kind of like a smoky nude look today. Starting out with the cream and just giving my lid a base layer, really emphasizing the inner corner of my eye and also underneath the brow bone. The next color I'll be using is this light brown shade, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of my eye and carry that into the crease, stopping like midway on my lid. I'm going to add that extra depth and dimension by layering this on and then sweeping the excess color that's on the brush up towards the brow line. And of course, lovelies, my phone died. So now we're picking up after I completed the eyes, but don't worry, I'll take you through the steps of what I just did. The shade that I used was this chestnutty brown, and I applied that again on the outer corner and the inner corner, sweeping that into the crease, and then obviously on the other eye as well. Just look at that added dimension to it. Next, I went back in with my flat brush that I used at the beginning with the cream, and I patted another layer of the cream right there in the center of the lid to really give that center of your eye a nice pop. I also went into the inner corner and then also underneath the brow bone again, just to really emphasize those areas. It also cleans up the line of that light brown that we took out towards the brow line. Obviously, we can't forget about an eyeliner and mascara, and now on to adding the colors on the cheeks. So I'm using kind of like a mauvey rose blush shade for the outer portion of my cheekbone. As you can see, I love a little dabbing technique. I press the powder into my skin, and then I will do light sweeps up and out towards like your hairline. And with the color that's left on the bristles, I just frame my face. I carry it up by the part, up by my hairline, I take it underneath the jaw and around my nose. Next, I will use a lighter shade. I'm using like a pretty pink color. It's very light, but I like to apply that to the apple of my cheek. I feel like using 2 shades of blush, just make it more of a natural look, because you don't have, like when you get flushed, you don't just have like rosy cheeks all one color, you know what I'm saying? So it's like a nice soft touch. I also obviously love a highlighter. This is the new one from Charlotte Tilbury as well, and it's like the perfect rose goldy glow. And this one, I'm just lightly dusting it right on top of the cheekbone above the apple of my cheek and sweeping it out to that outer corner of my eye. I also love a frosted little tip on the button of your nose. I feel like you can never have too much. I'll also do then the Cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose, carrying the excess that's on the bristles again onto the middle portion of the chin and my forehead. Next, let's get some colors to finish off this look onto the lips. So I'm using the Pillow Talk in the shade medium. So this is the level 2 Pillow Talk, and guys, I love it even more than her original Pillow Talk. It just is the perfect, deeper mauve, natural shade. I did a very light sweep of color, and as you can see, I'm leaving that center portion of my bottom lip open to add just a little extra like highlight without adding gloss or anything. And here's the final look. So I hope you lovelies enjoyed this enhanced smoky nude eyeshadow look. If you did, I would love it if you gave the video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would love it if you'd smash that subscribe button. I do lots of different style, beauty, and fitness, and I will see you lovelies very soon.